having fun is okay. Get some love in your life, whether that be another person or just loving yourself, man. Love is good. Spread love. Spread love.
Hi vlog! So, today is Monday and I have online class for this afternoon. But yeah, I'm going out with Ate Mia. We're gonna go get some grocery in the city. Thank you. Thank you. Spaghetti, snacks, toyo and suka, and spaghetti. We have, paliton, dami na pag-employed. Kaya ako. Pangal ako. Hi vlog! So today I'm going to Katrina. First, I'm gonna do her makeup. I have a dance event. Makeup brushes. Hi to my vlog. Actually, wala pa ako na-post ng isa.
Welcome to my vlog.
To Catherine's vlog.
Yeah.
You can vlog tomorrow and post it on your
Yeah.
YouTube.
Ate, thank you very much for borrowing your iPhone 13. And she's my biological sister. Kasi ang iba kasi naging sister na nila yung pinsan. Weird masyado. So, okay ha. Ano kami? Blood kami, okay? Blood kami, blood. Same blood.
Sister.
Ano nga kamukha kami? No.
Okay naman kasi maging sister ang mga cousin.
Alam ko, pero hindi biological.
Natay procession ka. pieces.